Every home tells a story long before we notice the furniture, lighting, or decoration. One of the first elements shaping that story is the doorway, the threshold that guides us from one space to another. Wooden doors with glass have become a powerful way to enhance that story, blending natural warmth with soft, luminous elegance. They offer a modern, refined look while retaining the familiar comfort of wood. And today's collection celebrates the most stylish and inspiring ideas that perfectly combine clarity, craftsmanship, and interior beauty. As you watch these images, you'll see how different doors transform the mood of a room. Some carry minimalist features meant for contemporary interiors, while others highlight classic designs that feel timeless. Glass brightens the space, connecting rooms visually, and wood grounds the design with texture and character. Together, they create a harmony few other materials can match. This video presents concepts that speak to both creativity and functionality. Each door reflects a carefully balanced design, modern but warm, sophisticated yet inviting. Whether you prefer clean lines or artistic patterns, subtle tones or bold grain, you'll find inspiration that works beautifully in real homes. The elegance these doors add becomes part of the atmosphere, shaping the light, enhancing the flow, and making interiors feel open and refined. Let this curated collection guide your imagination into spaces illuminated by natural brightness and framed with craftsmanship. These doors do more than separate rooms, they enrich them, allowing homes to feel more spacious, stylish, and thoughtfully designed. Wooden doors with glass have a way of reshaping interiors subtly yet powerfully. They influence the flow of natural light, the emotional warmth of a room, and the overall personality of a home. In this extended collection, each design illustrates how the combination of wood and glass creates modern, elegant, and unforgettable living spaces. As you observe each example, you'll begin to notice the many ways these doors adapt to different moods, architectural styles, and interior goals. One of the most striking qualities of wooden doors with glass is the balance between openness and structure. A full wooden door feels solid and grounded, while a full glass door feels light and transparent. When the two come together, they create a middle ground that feels effortless and harmonious. This balance is what makes these doors such a popular choice in modern homes. They offer privacy without isolation, brightness without exposure, and style without overwhelming the surrounding decor. In many contemporary interiors, you'll see doors with large glass panels framed by slim wooden borders. These designs prioritize light and clean geometry. They often appear in hallways, between living areas, or in transitional spaces where homeowners want visibility from one room to another. The transparency makes the home feel larger, encourages natural light to travel freely, and creates a soft transition between spaces that still remain distinct. You might notice doors with opaque or frosted glass, introducing both elegance and practicality. These doors are ideal where moderate privacy is preferred, such as home offices, bedrooms, or bathrooms, without losing the glow and openness that glass provides. Frosted surfaces diffuse light gently, creating a calm and serene atmosphere. The combination of smooth wood and frosted texture often creates a subtle artistic effect that enhances the interior. Another category of designs highlights geometric creativity. Wooden doors with glass can incorporate diagonal patterns, horizontal arrangements, or intricate frame structures that play with shape and form. These designs add personality to the room without being overly bold. They allow the door to become a visual feature rather than just a functional boundary. The interplay between lines, wood grain, and transparent surfaces offers a dynamic aesthetic that suits homes with artistic touches or balanced symmetry. In homes with more traditional decor, you'll often see richly framed wooden doors featuring multiple small glass sections. This style blends the charm of vintage craftsmanship with modern clarity. The smaller panes add rhythm and detail, while the wood itself may feature deeper tones, showcasing textures like walnut, mahogany, or cherry. These doors evoke a classic atmosphere that brings sophistication to dining rooms, libraries, and formal spaces. Their timeless look remains attractive year after year, regardless of changing design trends. Some designs use tinted or textured glass to elevate the interior mood. Soft tints such as gray, bronze, or light blue create subtle shifts in brightness and color that affect the ambience of the room. Textured glass, whether wavy, ribbed, or patterned, introduces decorative depth while maintaining partial privacy. These elements allow wooden doors to become not only functional components but decorative art pieces within the home. A door's color and finish also play a crucial role in defining its overall impact. Light woods such as ash, beech, or natural oak bring freshness and Scandinavian warmth into the interior. These tones reflect more light, making rooms feel airy and spacious. In the images, you'll notice doors with pale frames surrounding clear glass panels. These designs create a clean, uplifting atmosphere perfect for modern minimalist homes. On the other hand, darker woods like walnut, espresso-stained oak, and aged teak introduce richness, elegance, and depth. When paired with glass panels, the contrast creates a luxurious aesthetic. Dark frames emphasize the clarity of the glass and make the doorway feel more dramatic and architectural. These doors look striking in contemporary, industrial, or high-end interiors, acting as statement pieces while harmonizing with the room's palette. Many of the designs in the collection also integrate vertical grain patterns that enhance the height and elegance of the door. This technique visually elongates the doorway, making the ceiling appear higher. Horizontal grain patterns, meanwhile, contribute to a sense of stability and modernity. The direction of the grain becomes a subtle but impactful design choice that complements the glass layout. Wooden sliding doors with glass are another popular style featured in modern homes. Sliding systems save space and add a smooth, contemporary motion to interior transitions. The glass keeps rooms connected visually, while the wooden frame provides texture and architectural definition. These sliding doors often appear in open-plan homes where flexibility is important, allowing rooms to feel united when open, yet easily separated when needed. Barn-style sliding doors with glass offer a more rustic meets modern aesthetic. The combination of farmhouse-inspired hardware and sleek glass inserts blends character with contemporary qualities. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.